Learn how to get paid checking your own personal credit or the credit of your business in today's episode of Operation Survey Smash, day number 9. Well, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jacob Billett. I'm the CEO of Billett Enterprises, and today's video is Operation Survey Smash day number 9. So if you are just joining me on this adventure that I'm putting out online, this is an experiment that I'm doing to show people that anybody can make $500 or more per month doing tasks and surveys and taking advantage of offers on particular survey sites. Now, I started this experiment working with about 13 different sites, and I've really kind of boiled it down to about 5 or 6 right now. And again, this is an experiment as much as myself as, putting the information out to other people, because I want to make sure that I vet the information, I make sure I review it, it's legit, before I go off and promoting things that are not 100% legit. So, with myself, with my company, my name's on everything that I do, and I take that very, very, very seriously, right? So right here, you're going to see on the screen, this is a spreadsheet. So in real life, I'm actually on day number 20 right now. Matter of fact, correction, I'm on day number 21 right now. Now, with every episode that I'm doing this, obviously I track every day, but with every episode that I do, with the YouTube filming, with the teasers on social media, with the blog posts, with everything that goes into it, it takes me quite some time. And this is an extracurricular project that I chose to do. So I'm also, running my companies, and, I'm doing other things. So sometimes I'm just not able to get this information out. But again, all the data is accurate. It's just the posting of these videos are a little bit behind. Now, if you're just starting, in the description on this video, you are going to see links to every video. You're going to see the links to the corresponding blog pages that will walk you through and show you exactly what I'm doing. It includes payment proof, the whole 9 yards. So you can really look, you can go, okay, cool, I know this works, I see how it works, and then you can go through, because there's a lot of crap online. So you really got to kind of shift through all the BS to make sure that not only is it going to be worth your time, but it's genuine. So you make sure that after you watch this video, you kind of go through and you look up, and you do your due diligence as well. So anyways, on this spreadsheet right here, you're going to see this highlighted field. This is the money that I have made on some of these sites on day number 18. Now you can see like InboxDollars and Swagbucks, these two are the leaders right now. They have been the most consistent. And so they've been getting a lot of my time. There's another site called PaidViewpoint that is starting to do really well. It just took a while to start getting some surveys and some stuff that I qualify for. But the nice thing about PaidViewpoint is that every single survey they recommend to me, I qualify for. So I get paid something on everything. If you are a new user, or if you've been following this 30-day challenge, you will know that on InboxDollars and Swagbucks, sometimes you do not qualify. Now with Swagbucks, if you don't qualify, they'll give you a couple pennies for compensation for your time. And InboxDollars basically just gives you free spins on their wheel, and I'm not a huge fan of the wheel. I only normally just get like scratch out progress, and I think I've made like 5 cents here and there, but that's about it. The nice thing about PaidViewpoint is that if you, for whatever reason, if you get there too late, because it's a time basis thing, so once the survey is released, it's worth the most amount of money, and then it starts going down until it's down to like a quarter or 10 cents or whatever. So when you get the PaidViewpoint's emails, it behooves you to go over there and take the surveys. I've gotten $2.50, $3.50 from surveys there. So they are coming up to being probably my number 3 doing all this so far. Anyways, but that's not what this video is about. So just for some of the new people, if you're new here, you can kind of get an overview. So following this highlighted row over, you will say that so far in this experiment, I have banked $173.19 in 9 days. Now, I set myself about 2 hours a day to do this. Honestly, I'm doing a lot less than that. There's been a lot of things kind of going on behind the scenes out here, especially with my company. So there's a lot of times I can only do maybe, 20 or 30 minutes. So I take a look at an offer, like a free offer or whatever, or I'm incorporating with my shopping or whichever. And so that's how I'm making a good amount of money here. But again, with this day, I put in less than an hour and I made $22. So just under $23. So again, $173.19 is what I've banked. Now, I also have pending earnings of over $40. So that is actually the total that I've made so far would be the 173 plus 40, because that's pending into my account right now. And the offers are done. Everything's tracked. It just, they have to go, because they have to do anti-fraud measures as well to make sure that, that they're not getting, gypped on their end, right? So how do you make money checking your own credit? First of all, if you don't know what your credit is, I'm really glad you found this video, because credit is extremely important, and that's a topic all on its own. But now, if you're a person and you're like a sole proprietor or a corporation or an LLC, this site that I'm going to refer you over to actually checks both, and there's no hit on your credit or nothing. It's a soft pull, just like Credit Karma, just like Credit Sesame, all these different different consumer credit sites. So you can really kind of take a look at what's going on. It's very, very beneficial to stay on top of your credit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Swagbucks, right? So if you have not created an account on Swagbucks, there will be a link below. Click that link and sign up through Swagbucks, right? This is the Discover page with Swagbucks. You'll see right here on the left-hand side, Discover on a mobile phone. It'll be, I believe, on the bottom bar. You'll see Discover. So these are all of the offers that this site has, and they pay you. So basically, these companies will come on, they'll advertise a service, and they'll go into a cooperation with Swagbucks to reward the users. So the users, the user traffic goes over to the website, signs up for a product or service or a subscription or mailers or whatever, and they get compensated. Now, the goal of these sites is to hook you, to give you like a free taste of something and then try to upsell you. That's how it works. I mean, that's the only way this business model works, is because they're legitimately giving free money to people. So they're going to try to get some kind of return back. So the site that I did was Nav. So I'm circling it right here with my mouse. It should be highlighted on your guys' end. So Nav, you'll click on this. Again, this is with the Swagbucks account and you're signed up and everything. You'll click on Nav and then you will go over to their site, right? And you'll sign up and you'll enter in information. I already have an account, but there's a lot of different things and a lot of different levels of services that Nav has. We're just going to do the free version. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for an account. You're going to enter the information, and then they will go ahead and pull and give you that information. Now, you can get up to $20 on this site if you'd like. This right here is the Swagbucks toolbar extension for Chrome. And so if you go to a website that's partnered with Swagbucks, it'll notify you and you click that, and then it will reward you based on your activity on the site, right? It's a really, really cool thing. But the $20, and I'll touch on that in a second, is if you sign up for a service. So let's go ahead and go back here now. And I should have done this before, but on every offer, if you hover over an offer, it will show you the stipulations of the offer, right? So for 800 Swagbucks. Now, a Swagbuck is a penny, right? 800 pennies, $8. Get 100% free overview of your business and personal credit file and earn $8. And this is completely legit. I'll actually show you the payout. I did that. I did it for myself. I did it for my corporation, and it pulled everything, and it was cool. And I just did the free version. Now, when you sign up, you can upgrade your account to get a whole bunch of bells and whistles on it, and then you pay a subscription to do that. And then Swagbucks will reward you up to $20 for doing that. So if this is a service, if you sign up and you look at it and you go, wow, man, this is really cool, because they can link you up with different offers and they can pre-approve you for things. They can do a lot for you. If that's something that's going to help you personally or business-wise, then it may be worth the subscription. I mean, I had a subscription to several credit monitoring services when I was building my credit up years and years and years ago. And you can just offer a little bit better services than say like a Credit Sesame or Credit Karma. But if you just want to stay strictly free, you can definitely keep that with Nav. And then there are also other credit offers on Swagbucks and on InboxDollars that you can sign up for. So, and then just to put this at rest in case anybody is, well, matter of fact, here's the deals right here. 100% free is your $8. You can go on the premium plans, earn $20 on that. There's a lot of different levels and programs that they're doing with it. So I just kept it simple. I did the free overview, and I may get a membership with them here a little bit later, but right now it's not needed. So, but then if you look at, let's say, activity here, just so I can show you guys payout, we'll go ahead and go to most recent. Excuse me, I'm not feeling too good today. Right, that's Intellis. Where's Nav at? Nav might have been before. Oh, you know what? Sorry, it's in the other account. 1 second here. Let's do shop activity. There it is. So there's Nav right there. There's my trip ID and everything, and there is my $8. And right now it is pending for 12 more days. So, and obviously they're going through, they're verifying everything, make sure everything's good to go. Here's a lot of other offers. I got $30 from DoorDash, just buying dinner. So all these will be gotten into later on because I'm a lot further along in this than you guys are seeing on your end because I'm like 10 days behind on videos. So that is one offer, and then there is another offer as well. And that would be, I just recently mentioned them, Credit Sesame, right? So on Swagbucks, if you're not familiar with Credit Sesame, it's actually a really cool app. It's completely free. It also does a soft pull. It's a really, really comprehensive app. Obviously, any service you pay for is typically a little bit more in depth. But for what it is as a free credit monitoring service, and there's a lot of info there. You can read up on how credit works. You can kind of figure it out if you're really new to the credit scene. That's a really cool one. You can sign up and download that on your phone and you can get paid $1, right? So now we're at $9 just downloading stuff, right? That helps you. I mean, that's the better credit you have, the better loans that you're going to get. Credit is a necessity. So if you haven't been taking care of it, this is a really good opportunity to do so. Now, if we go over to one of my other big sites that I've been using, InboxDollars, you can also take a look at Credit Karma. Credit Karma was around before Credit Sesame. I use both services. I have Credit Karma and Credit Sesame to make sure that I have kind of like a checks and balances to make sure the information is legit, and they're both pretty much dead on with each other. You can download this. Again, it's free. It does a soft pull. And you can monitor your credit, and then you can, see which one you like the most, whatever. I mean, it's totally up to you. But this right here is another $1, right? So just by helping yourself out, just by downloading these programs or signing up for these programs that are completely free, you can learn, you can get knowledge that can potentially save you or make you tens upon tens of thousands of dollars in the future. And you can get paid for it, right? So this is a really good opportunity to take advantage of a few things, learn, pocket $10. Again, make an extra $500 a month. You just got to make $17 a day, right? Extra. And that's pretty much pocket change. You can do these 3 offers, a couple of surveys, and boom, you're at 17 today, and then just kind of explore around. And there's a bunch of stuff. I mean, I'll have to save the content for another video, but these sites are really, really good sites. Especially if you're really new to a lot of these services. It will really help you out, and it pays you to do it. So anyways, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I will try to get to them the best that I can. Hopefully this will help some of you guys out. And again, you can drop questions in the discussion below. You can get a hold of me on social media. All my social media links are in all the descriptions. And let me know what you think. If you run into any problems or whichever, get a hold of me and we'll work through it. And I will see you all on the next episode. Take care.